Today, we're gonna be looking at what is the best 2025 light-duty American-made pickup that has the best gas mileage. We'll also look at some of the other cars in this category to help you decide which one might be right for you. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you about a service that makes it easy to find the best deals on new cars in your area. Before heading to the dealership, use this service to get the best prices from multiple dealers near you. You can even negotiate with them to get the best possible price. This service is completely free to use and has saved people thousands of dollars. Once you've found the right car at the right price, you can trade in your old car and get the best trade-in value. Once you've gotten the price you want, you can schedule a pickup or delivery at your earliest convenience. Get the best deal on your next car with this service. Now let's get back to the video. The 2025 Ford Maverick is the best 2025 American-made car that has the best gas mileage. The Maverick achieves an impressive 42 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. When it comes to fuel economy, few vehicles can match the Maverick's impressive performance. With its advanced engine and aerodynamic design, this car is built to save you money at the pump without compromising on style or practicality. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Maverick ensures that you get the most out of every gallon. Just take a look at these numbers. The Maverick boasts an EPA estimated 42 mpg city, 33 mpg highway, and 37 mpg combined. Now that means you can drive through the city streets without feeling guilty about your carbon footprint. And when you hit the highway, you won't have to worry about making frequent pit stops. It's no wonder why the Maverick is considered one of the most fuel-efficient cars on the road today. Are you ready to join the Maverick revolution? Contact us today to schedule a test drive and experience the thrill of driving a car that doesn't compromise on anything. Number 2, 2025 Chevrolet Colorado. If you're looking for an American-made car with good gas mileage, the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado might just be the perfect vehicle for you. This pickup truck gets an impressive 21 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. While it may not be the most fuel-efficient option on the market, it still offers a great balance between power and efficiency. The Colorado's powerful engine provides plenty of torque for hauling and towing, while its advanced transmission and lightweight construction ensure optimal fuel economy. Plus, with Chevy's commitment to innovation, you can be sure that this truck is equipped with the latest technology to maximize efficiency, whether you're driving through the city or cruising down the highway. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful pickup truck that won't break the bank at the gas station. Don't settle for less. Contact us today to learn more about this amazing vehicle and schedule a test drive. Number 3, 2025 GMC Canyon. If you're searching for an American-made car with solid gas mileage, the 2025 GMC Canyon is certainly worth considering. With an impressive 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, this mid-size pickup truck offers a great balance between power and efficiency. The Canyon's turbocharged engine provides ample horsepower for tackling tough jobs, while its advanced transmission and lightweight design ensure optimal fuel economy. Whether you're hauling materials to a job site or taking the family on a weekend adventure, the 2025 GMC Canyon is up to the task. And with GMC's commitment to innovation, you can be sure that this truck is equipped with the latest technology to maximize both power and efficiency. So if you're in the market for a new pickup truck, be sure to check out the 2025 GMC Canyon. Contact us today to learn more and schedule a test drive. If you're interested in a 2025 American-made car with good gas mileage, there are plenty of options on the market. From the fuel-efficient Ford Maverick to the versatile Chevrolet Colorado and the capable GMC Canyon, you're sure to find a vehicle that meets your needs. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your budget, lifestyle, and driving habits. But no matter which option you choose, you can feel good knowing that you're driving a high-quality, fuel-efficient, American-made car. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.